Stop by and take a look at the 2018 5 Series. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, universal garage door opener, lumbar support, power tilting steering wheel, low tire pressure warning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.